story writing competition on the occasion of National Unity Day. The contribution of paired state or union territory in India's struggle for freedom. Themes for story writing competition. The contribution of paired state or union territory in India's struggle for freedom. Under this theme, there are 6 categories. Participants can choose any one of these. One by one, I will discuss all the topics in my upcoming videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for all my videos. Now in this video, I have chosen the topic Story on the Life of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. His contribution to national integration. Introduction. To celebrate the unity in diversity of our nation and to strengthen the emotional bonds of people of our country, government announced Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program. Without any doubt, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the most influential figures of India in 20th century. He played a key role in the national integration of India. The Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, was a prominent figure in the Indian freedom struggle, who later became the India's first Deputy Prime Minister and the first Home Minister. Early life and education. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on October 31, 1875 at Nadiad, Gujarat. His father, named Jhaveri Patel, served in the army of Queen of Jhansi, and his mother, named Ladhai, was a spiritual woman. Patel married at the age of 16 and passed the class 10 board exam at the age of 22 years. Then he went to London for further studies to become a barrister. The 36 months course of advocacy was completed by him in just 30 months. In 1913, he came back to India and got settled in Ahmedabad. After his return from abroad, he became a barrister in criminal law at Ahmedabad Bar, Gujarat. Sardar Patel's contribution towards India's independent movement. Sardar Patel was one of the most eminent and prominent leaders of the Indian freedom struggle. He has immense contribution in bringing independence to our country. In September 1917, Sardar Patel met Gandhiji for the first time, and his life changed. Patel quit his job and became the secretary of Gujarat Sabha, and brought him closer to the Indian independence movement. He joined Indian National Congress, and his initial movement started with Satyagraha in Gujarat against Britishers. During the imprisonment of Mahatma Gandhi, Patel led the Satyagraha movement in Nagpur in 1923, which was against the British law of banning the hoisting of the Indian flag. In 1928, he earned the title Sardar and became popular throughout the country. Later, he actively participated and volunteered in the Quit India movement in 1942 with Gandhiji. During Quit India movement, he was imprisoned. Sardar Patel's life and contribution after India's independence. Once India got independence, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel became the first Deputy Prime Minister and also the first Home Minister of independent India. His role for India after independence was more crucial. He played a key role in the integration of about 565 princely states into the Indian Union. When the British left India, there were around 565 princely states that gained independence, and at that time they were not in the Indian Union. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel did a commendable job of uniting these kingdoms with the Union of India, using his convincing abilities or military prowess. He was very clear in his objective that the map of India must be united throughout its length and breadth. He was not willing to compromise India's political unity. Due to his steely will, he was known as the Iron Man of India. Paying tribute to him, Nehruji called Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel the builder and consolidator of New India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, despite his health and age, never stopped working to fulfill his purpose of making India one. The brave son of India died on December 15, 1950, at the age of 75, after suffering a massive heart attack. Conclusion. To honor Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's legacy, the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, was dedicated to him. His contribution to national integration has been remarkable and incomparable. He was bestowed with country's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, posthumously in 1991. Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat.